The prepared cable is now ready to be installed into a fiber optic splice closure. This training video features the FOSC 450D. As stated, the first step will always be to insert the cable into the base of the FOSC. Slide the base down the cable and out of the way. Separate the cable retention bracket and insert the strength member bracket into the slot on the smaller portion of the cable retention bracket as shown. Next, secure the steel strength members to the strength member bracket with the supplied lug and nut driver. Install the hose clamp and tighten so the teeth fully seat into the cable jacket. Do not over-tighten this clamp. Slide the cable retention bracket and cable into the appropriate slot of the star bracket. Note, bottom entry ports should always be used for main or loop-through cables.